Hey girlfriends, it's Nay, and welcome back to my channel, Nay Does Natural. Stay tuned as I walk you through 4 of my favorite ways to style my knotless box braids. Yo, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be styling my knotless box braids. If you follow me, you know that I recently got the front redone, so the back is pretty grown out, but I just wanted to get on to show you guys that yes, it's okay to get your braids refreshed without taking them out way too early. And once you do that, you can still style your braids pretty well, regardless of the amount of new growth that you may or may not have. So let's go ahead and get started. I typically start off by laying my edges. Today I will be using Flyaway Taming Gel by Olive Oil for Kids. I suggest starting with a small amount and then working your way up. Less is always more when it comes to edge control. Then I follow that up with a dab of Eco Style Gel to keep them secure. And I tie my edges down for about 15 minutes. First things first, you'll need to grab 2 to 3 braids at the back of your head on each side. Hold those braids in each hand and do a big hair flip so that all the rest of the braids fall forward. Then cross the braids that you were holding in the back and wrap them around the rest of your hair. Take those same braids and wrap them around to the back of your now ponytail. You will notice me arranging the braids as I go to ensure the braids are laying correctly before I tie them. The high bun is very simple. It starts with the high pony. From there, you will thoroughly twist the ponytail and carefully wrap using your hand for extra security until the bun is formed. Don't forget to secure it with a few bobby pins. Start with the hair tie of your choice and take only the top section of braids to put into a high ponytail. Be sure to adjust the braids around your edges so that they are not pulling. Then, using the same technique from the high bun, you're going to thoroughly twist the pony. To create the top knot, wrap the braids underneath as you go around so that the bun stacks, creating the height you need for the top knot look. To eliminate tension on your edges, you may need to go and pull those braids down a little bit from that top knot. For this last look, you will need the little black rubber bands to ensure that your space buns will form correctly. Start by putting your hair into 2 even ponytails. If you are enjoying this video, please like and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Then, using the same technique from the high bun, twist each ponytail thoroughly and wrap it around using your hand for extra security to create the space buns. Curl friends, don't forget to tag me in these looks if you try them. I would love to see how they turn out. Thank you all for watching another tutorial from Nay Does Natural. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future content. Deuces!